So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on exercise 11.1, which is related to mensuration. This exercise is based on the concept which we have already studied last year. Okay? It means this exercise has most of the question which is related to rectangle and circle and square. Okay? And almost all are based on their perimeter and area. So before we start perimeter and area concept, let us understand what is perimeter actually. Perimeter may remember we don't include any portion which is coming from inside. Okay, perimeter means just boundary. Okay, so when you talk about outer portion, we talk about it is boundary. So all around the figure, what is the length of that boundary will be known as perimeter. Whether you talk about circle, whether you talk about rectangle, or you talk about square. Okay, so perimeter of square, can you tell me please? 4 into side. Okay. If I change this figure into rectangle, then what becomes? 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Then if I change this figure into a circle, then what becomes a perimeter? 2 pi r. And the name which perimeter can be defined as circumference. Okay. Now, when you talk about area, remember we only take inside portion, or you can call it that the amount of surface enclosed by any figure's boundary, that will be known as area. उसमें फिर हमें boundary से मतलब नहीं होता, we just talk about the portion which is covered inside. ठीक है? So this is known as area. And here also what we will have, this one will be now area. So what will be the area of this one square? Side square, you can call it side into side, you can call it a square, depend on you what you want to note it down. Okay, what will be the area of rectangle? Length into breadth, correct? Can you tell me what will be the area of circle? Pi r square. Okay, do you remember what was the value of pi and another value? Correct. So the value of 22 pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now may I know from you only which value of pi is more accurate? 22 by 7. Okay. Anjali, give me the reason. Why 22 by 7 is more accurate than 3.14? Remember students, this question is from NCERT exercise question number 1. What it says that there are two figures, one is a square and one is rectangle. Fine. It is telling both have same perimeter. So if one is rectangle, one is a square, perimeter formula for square, you will have 4 into side. And for this, you will have 2 into length plus breadth. But can you find the another dimension in this? Do you find it? No. So here you find only one dimension. What you can consider this, length or breadth? Length, because the longest side is 80. Okay? So it means you can have 2 into 80 plus breadth, because you don't know breadth. Now here 4 into side means 4 into 60. Now with the help of this exercise, this question, you can have equation. You can find out the value of b. Please take out with the help of this. It will give you 6 4 जा 24. 24 जब आप डिवाइड करोगे 120 और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 80 प्लस b वैल्यू हो जाएगा 120 माइनस 80 which will give you 40 meter. ठीक है? Now you must be thinking why I have taken out breadth, because the question asks here that which will have the larger area, and when you talk about area cannot be done till you will don't find out the breadth for the second figure. First figure mein to easily you can take it out, but in the second figure you cannot take out the area till you don't know the another dimension. Okay, so we have found out b. Now let's find out the area of both the figures. Area of, first we are taking out square. Formula is side into side, which will give you 60 into 60. May I know what will come 60 into 60? 120. 3000, 3600, right. It will give you 3600 square meter. Meter is given, no? So meter. Now rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth. Length is given 80 and breadth is given 40. Just be taken out. So 8 4s are 32 and 2 zeros more. Now may I know which has larger area? So square is having the more area, or you can call it the larger area. Okay? Question number 1 is done. Now question number 2 says that Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 per meter square. अगर आपको याद हो तो इस टाइप के हमने थर्ड एक्सरसाइज में किए थे जब हम पेरीमीटर एरिया पढ़ रहे थे. So if you have anything outside, you are constructing something inside of it, having the margin of garden, having the margin of road, having the margin of any kind of maybe boundary or whatsoever it is inside. Okay? So in that area, what we take out? We just find out the dimension of outer portion and inner portion. And then what we do then? Can you tell me? First we take out area and then we subtract larger minus smaller. Okay? Try this one now. Write down in your copy. Draw the figure, please. Yes. Now, outer portion you are knowing it was in the form of square. So we took 25 into 25, which gave us the answer 625 square meters. Now, inside portion जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is given in the form of rectangle. So we took the formula as rectangle, that is length into breadth. 20 was given in the question. 15 was also given in the question. So we just simply took it 20 into 15, which will give us 300 square meters. Now always remember, जब भी कभी हमको इस पोर्शन का एरिया निकालने के लिए बोले, या वो गार्डन के फॉर्म में हो या पाथवे के फॉर्म में हो, इन एनी ऑफ द फॉर्म, तो जब भी हम इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, we just subtract the smaller portion from the larger portion. तो हमें ये वाला जो शेडेड एरिया होता है वो मिल जाता है. So we will just take out area of garden, क्योंकि उन्होंने क्या किया, यहाँ पे गार्डन डेवलप किया है. So area of garden will be simply 625 minus 300. What will you get then? 325 square meter. Now in the question it was given that for having the cost of gardening this one, gardening around the house will be 55 per meter square. So just costing के लिए क्या करेंगे? We will simply multiply 55 with 325. Now you multiply and write it down the answer. 17875. 17,875 rupees. Question number 3, you can see here the figure is already drawn in the book and the dimensions are given as कि इधर से outer portion से पूरा include करके यहाँ तक you are getting 20. ठीक है? और यहाँ पर आपको you are getting as a dimension of 7 meter. ठीक है? और आपको क्वेश्चन में निकालना क्या है? You have to find out the area and the perimeter of this inner portion. ठीक है? So you can simply do that question in this way. आपको पता है ये वाला part is given in the form of a circle. You can call it semicircle. ठीक है? ये वाला part भी semicircle है. अब आप अगर इसको गौर से देखो, which is given as 7 meter, can we call it as a diameter? ये हो गया diameter. तो अगर ये diameter हो गया तो उसकी radius कितनी हो गई? 3.5. So let's have radius is equals to 3.5 meter. ठीक है? Now the same way, अगर आप बात करते हो ये वाला portion 3.5 का हो गया, so this is called 3.5 of this. ठीक है? So can you tell me what is the dimension of this one? हाँ बोलो. 3.5. May I know why? What is this? हाँ. This is called radius. ठीक है? Because अगर ये सेमी सर्कल है तो आपको पता है ये कहलाएगा इसका सेंटर, because diameter का मिड पॉइंट will be called as center, and center से जो circumference पे जो भी आप पॉइंट लेते हो that will be known as radius. So ये भी हो जाएगा कितना आपके पास? 3.5. Clear till here? Now let's find out the dimension of this rectangle one by one. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इस लेंथ की. I am writing here dimension of rectangle. क्योंकि एक बार आपको जब डायमेंशन मिल जाएंगे तो यू विल फाइंड आउट वेरी इजीली द एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर. डायमेंशन ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. So I'm talking about first the breadth. What is breadth? Clearly you can see. Tell me. 13. This one. What is coming? 7 meter. Then length is equals to. Find out the length. Yes, look at here. Breadth we know 7 meter. Length how we can we do that? पूरा का पूरा 20 मीटर है. माइनस 3.5 यहाँ से हटाया, 3.5 यहाँ से हटाया, तो ये मिल जाएगा इतना पोर्शन. डायरेक्ट आप निकाल सकते हो 7. हाउ मच यू विल गेट इट डायरेक्टली? 13 मीटर. ठीक है. अब हमको मिल गया लेंथ भी और हमको मिल गया ब्रेथ भी. सिंपली यू कैन फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया ऑफ बोथ दिस. ठीक है. सो पेरीमीटर के लिए यू कैन फाइंड आउट द फॉर्मूला 2 into लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. And for area you can find out the formula as length into breadth. So that will give you 7 into 13, which will give you 91 meter square. And for perimeter you will have 2 into 7 plus 13, which just a second, right? इसको इस तरीके से फॉर्म नहीं करेंगे. Look at here, how can we do that? Perimeter now. Just a second. I have not. Yes. So we have taken out only the area of inside portion. ठीक है. So now what can we do? Just अभी मैं जो beginning में बोल रही थी, half of the same, मतलब like half of the circle, half of the circle. When you include both of them, what will you get? The full circle. So इसका area क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Pi r square. Pi की जगह you can put 22/7. Radius की जगह what can you put as 7/2. अगर आप 7/2 क्यों रख रहे हैं बता देते, ताकि सिंपली ये 7 से 7 कैंसिल हो जाए. 3.5 रखोगे तो डेसिमल वाली वैल्यू ज्यादा आएगी. ठीक है. तो 7/2 आप रखते हो. 7/2 into 7/2 because pi r square. 7 got cancelled. 2 and यहाँ आएगा 11. 11 7 जा 77/2 in the form of meter square. Now convert in decimal. You will find out directly the area of it. Now it is asking the total area of the full garden. So उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? Simply you will add these two. ठीक है. Whatever the answer, what is coming? 77/2, 38.5 meter square. Now simply add both of them. You will get the area of it. ठीक है. Now let's talk about the perimeter. This perimeter formula will not get applied because it is asking the full garden. तो इसको सिंपली कर लेते हैं. देखो यहाँ पर ये वाला पोर्शन आप ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हो, ये वाला पोर्शन आप ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हो. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट विल बी दिस पोर्शन ओनली? कल बताया था, कल नहीं, ट्यूसडे के दिन. व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ हाफ सर्कल? पाई आर. ओनली पाई आर. अगेन दिस इज आल्सो पाई आर. पाई आर प्लस पाई आर 2 पाई आर. सो जस्ट एक बार निकालो 2 पाई आर. इस वाले का आप ये दोनों लेंथ इंक्लूड करोगे, क्योंकि ये वाला जो लेंथ है वो इंक्लूड नहीं होगा बिकॉज इट इज कमिंग इनसाइड. सो हाउ विल यू डू दैट? लेट्स हैव दिस साइड. दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सी पेरीमीटर फॉर दिस फिगर विल बी हाफ ऑफ दिस सर्कल, हाफ ऑफ दिस सर्कल, मिलाकर के बन गया पूरा फुल सर्कल. दैट इज 2 पाई आर प्लस ये वाला पोर्शन और ये वाला पोर्शन. कितना था अभी हमने जस्ट निकाला था? 13. सो दिस विल बिकम नाउ 13 प्लस 13. 13 आपने यहां से लिया, 13 आपने यहां से लिया, इस वाले के लिए आपने पाई आर लिया, इस वाले के लिए आपने पाई आर लिया. ये बन गई पूरी फुल बाउंड्री ऑफ दिस गार्डन. नाउ जस्ट सिंपली सॉल्व दिस. ये तो हो जाएगा डायरेक्ट 26 और 2 पाई आर के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 22/7 into, you can simply say that 7/2. Simply do that. Cancel. 22 plus 26. What will you get? 48 meter. Finished. Now tell me any step which you have not understood. This question is completed.